All right, you guys, we are back at it. We got a control board we're slapping in. This one has failed, so let's go. Let's get it done. It's alive. All right, we got the new board in. We'll let it run for about 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna cut it off. Then I'll test everything else out as well.